everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been so MIA just with everything that was going on around the world. I just wasn't feeling very motivated to film or edit or do anything, but now that things are getting a little bit better, I'm more motivated, and I'm feeling like, yes, let's get back into it and start doing things that you love. I'm going to try and be good and upload more regularly and put more content out there, so please stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and watch some of my other videos. But today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I ordered a bunch of stuff from YesStyle, and I thought I would do a little unboxing with you guys. I talk about a lot of skincare and I've talked a lot about K-beauty and like Korean skincare, but because I kind of had my routine down, like during quarantine, I found products that just worked for me. It might be due to the fact that I wasn't going out as much, there wasn't as much pollution in the air, and I wasn't wearing as much makeup. Maybe that had something to do with it, but I just found a routine that worked for me. I didn't really want to disrupt my skincare, so I was like, what could I get instead? So I therefore got a bunch of makeup. I was like really curious to try like Korean lipsticks and lip products, especially because there hasn't been any like Western lip products that really worked for my lips. I've actually got one of the lipsticks on at the moment. It is by Rumond and it is Joyful. It's like between coral and red, and it's quite bright, but it still looks quite natural. And like what I found with this is that you need literally the tiniest amount of product, and it like spreads on your lips quite well. If you want to go for that blurred look as well, you don't want to use too much, otherwise it's quite pigmented, so you actually only need a tiny amount. The texture of this is so velvety and smooth. I mean, it stays on, like it's got quite a lot, it does like tint your lips, but like it's so soft and like natural looking, but like moisturizing, and like it's just the best. Like I feel like I've been missing out this entire time that I have not been trying this product or trying like Korean lipsticks. Like they're so good. So I'll just swatch it for you guys so you guys can see like the color. You guys can see I guess it's quite vibrant. I got two. I wanted to try like other different like brands to just kind of get a feel of it. So I got two from Romond, and to be honest, after trying just this one out, I want to get so many more. The other color I got was number 5 Witty, and this is more of like a deep brownie red color. I got a lot of reds though. I regret getting so many red lipsticks. I wish I got like some pinks. Yeah, so it looks like this. I'm glad they've got that written on it, because if it didn't, I honestly wouldn't know. They look like so similar. So you can see it's a bit more brown, but it's still like reddy. It's got a little bit more pink notes in it. So those are the two that I got from Romond. And then I got like 2 more lips from Ink Matte Blur. So it's number 6, Newest Coral is what it's called. It's a lot smaller than the other one, so this will probably fit really nicely in a bag. This would be like a small clutch, like a going out bag. This would be like perfect to take out because it's so small. Did you guys hear that? It's got like a little suction cuppy. So you know when the Ramona was like saying how it has like loads of like product and you have to be careful? This has like a little suction cup. I don't know whether you guys can see, and it kind of helps remove that excess product, so then you're not wasting it. That's lovely. I've got another red. It's by the same brand, but in the color Red Brick. So I think this should be the darkest out of all of them. Oh god, the suction is actually really like, look, it's quite tough. But it's got like a brownie, I guess Red Brick. Brick has a little bit of brown in it, doesn't it? So those are the 4 lip products that I got. I've got this product which is from C3CE, really popular Korean makeup brand, and it's a Take a Layer. And this is basically like a multi-pot where you can use this as like a lip product, a cheek tint, and you can even use it on your eyes. And the reason why I got this was I thought it'd be really good to like on the go. You kind of just put it on your lips, put it on your cheeks, and then you can touch it up like while you're on the go, which is really nice. This is in the color Cabbage Rose. So finally some other colors apart from all the reds that I got. Really nice packaging. It's like nice, can fit in your bag. Lovely, like pink. It's cream, but it goes on with powder. I got one more blush at C3E. I got like a corally orange blush, and this is a blush cushion. I've really gone off like powdered products because my skin's become a bit more like dry combination now than like oily, and like putting powder on just really dries my skin out. So now I'm opting for more like hydrating type products. But yeah, it's got like a mirror, so it'd be good for like on the go, like a little cushion thing, and then you open up and then you've got a cushion, just like a cushion foundation. You use the blush in exactly the same way. I'll use some of it on camera just to like a little touch up a bit. So it's quite pigmented, so you only need like a little bit. It's really nice. And then I got this skinny Microcara from Innisfree, and I've tried like a lot of Innisfree skincare products, so I was excited to try this, and I got this in brown. They do have it in black as well, but I wanted something a little bit more natural. Look how small that wand is. That is literally tiny wand. And then my last makeup product that I got was a waterproof pen eyeliner from McQueen, New York, in brown as well, again for that bit more of a natural look. And it's like this. It's like a brown colour. You just open just like you do anything else. So it's just there. And then I did get a couple of skincare products. Most of them are makeup, but I still just couldn't resist myself, like I'm such a skincare junkie. So yeah, I'll quickly talk about them. It's a Centella Green Level Unscented Sunscreen by Purito, and I like the unscented version because it doesn't like irritate my skin. Last but certainly not least, I got Hydrogel Very Simple Pack by CosRx. Sorry if you can hear my dog, he's just barking at something, I don't know what. Yeah, sometimes I don't really feel like doing like a full like sheet mask. I'm just like a little bit lazy, and like because I've got combination skin, like my cheeks get really dry, especially after wearing like makeup all day, but like my T-zone's really oily and I don't really want to just put more like oils on there. So I thought like this was great because they're literally like little gel packs that I can just kind of put on the areas where I want hydration. So it comes like in a little pack like this. It comes with like a little to like pick it up, and then you can just take one off, plop them, and then put them on whatever part of your skin that you want. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it, leave a comment down below, let me know if you've tried any of these products or if I've inspired you to try any of them. I think if you're going to get anything, I would say try the lip products because they are revolutionary. They're very different to any Western lip product that I have tried, and they are definitely worth the try. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you all later. Bye!